Farah and I'm from Goa. Well, I'm the lucky winner of the Sunsilk 2-stage dream job powered by MTV. Ever since I was a kid, I was always fascinated by television, commercials, films, and I always aspired to be there. It reminds me of this very funny incident from my childhood when we had gone for a family visit and they found me in the makeup room and I had applied all the makeup, the lipstick, everything all over my face. That's probably the first time my parents got a hint that in the future I might want to pursue this career. And since then, I've been very much interested. In terms of acting, I have been into theatre for quite some time now, but emoting in front of camera is something that I'm very much looking forward to. So in front of camera, I feel that I need to control my emotions and deliver it in such a way that it comes very naturally on it. I reached the Viacom 18 office where Sana was already waiting for me.
Hi. Hi. But firstly, I have to congratulate you that you've won the Sunsilk 2-stage Dream Jobs powered by MTV. What inspired you to become an actor?
Well, I've been in theatre for some time now, but I think it's high time I want to start being in front of the camera.
So since I'm your mentor, I want to know what are your weaknesses?
In front of a camera, it's a limited space and I really struggle to express myself in that limited space. And I think I want to master it. I'm still not there.
But the thing is that when it's in front of camera, it's all about you playing with your eyes and emoting it, then rather being loud with your body language and your expressions. But of course, that's something that we will definitely work on since you pointed it out. Okay, so I'll tell you what the plan for the day is. I have a couple of auditions lined up that I'm going to go and rehearse for. So why don't you join me?
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
And to my surprise, when we reached the studio, the auditions were not for her, but for me.
So basically, I've got you this amazing opportunity of auditioning for a role for this really cool show on MTV called Saturday Night Alright.
And before the audition, Sana actually suggested that we must rehearse it once. So we did that. अब अगर कोई सवाल ही गलत पूछे तो इसमें मैं क्या करूँ? Is it my fault that men don't think with their brains?
I think that wasn't bad at all.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's some little bit corrections that we need to concentrate on. You take too many pauses in your lines.
Okay.
Yeah, so some lines have a flow. Like, अब अगर कोई सवाल ही गलत पूछे तो मैं क्या करूँ?
But in spite of doing so much of rehearsal with Sana, the first time when I faced the camera, for a second, I just went blank.
Next.
I'll give the cues for your role. It's easy for girls, that's it.
Easy? What do you mean by easy?
Okay, let's move on to the interviewer part.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sahana.
Full name?
Sahana Kaul.
Why do you want to intern with us?
I just think her confidence level is completely gone.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can I just take 5 minutes break, please? Actually, I've forgotten to. I mean, I thought I've really messed it up, and then Sana called me aside and she helped me. I don't know. I just went blank.
Just relax, okay? Just breathe. Breathe.
And she helped me, boost my morale up.
All you have to do is go and look into the camera and forget that anybody's standing next to you. Come on, wriggle up. Okay?
Yeah. Good. I hope I do this
You're
time.
You're going to be fine. Just confidently go and just kill it.
Yeah. Okay.
Go.
So I went back, and the second time when I gave my audition,
Okay, let's move on to the interviewer part.
Sahana Kaul. Well, that's because I think you guys are really cool. That's because I'm really smart. Thank you. And you can call me Sahana, by the way. Did you like it?
I loved it.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Cross your fingers. I'm really hoping you're going to get this one.
Hope
But
so.
you're so talented, Farah. You have to keep continuing, keep practicing, and just go on and kill it.
My day was really constructive. Sana's tips, I'm going to remember them even in the future for my upcoming auditions. I would like to thank Sunsilk and MTV for giving me this wonderful opportunity and making my dream come true.